Hello, from Matthew Simmons here. Let's do another original knot. This is called the TWU knot. A friend of mine wanted me to make a knot for her university, Texas Women's University here in North Texas, and this is it. So this is my tie I'm using. This is my left side. It's going to be at the belt line as usual. I'm going to put a dimple or whatever fold you want to put in your tie right here. Bring the skinny end over. You're going to come up and over like this. We're going to come down and around like so. Kind of tighten that up a bit. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make kind of a W. It's not really going to look like a W, but it's going to be a creative version of a W. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tie here. I'm going to kind of turn it like this and turn it around to where we have this right here. So I'm going to fold it like so. So we have this so far. I'm going to bring it over to the center, and then over here I'm going to fold it down and then come up like this and kind of let it hang like that. Fold it in half over here. And there you have it. There you have the TWU. Oh, no, style, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made.